Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Discord not opening after update. The first thing we will do is open the task manager from start. In the manager, we locate the Discord process. When we have it, we click on End Task to end this process. Then we will open Settings from start. There we will go to Apps and then to Installed Apps. We locate Discord, click on the three dots, and there we choose Uninstall. We click on Uninstall again, and we will wait for Discord to be uninstalled. When it is complete, in the search box we enter %app data %. We open the folder. There we choose the Discord folder and click on Delete so that it is deleted. Finally, we will go to the link that we leave you in the description of the video. We will click on Download for Windows. When the download is complete, we click on the downloaded file. We hope that Discord is installed locally and thus validate that it opens without any problem. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.